You're looking at a 2022 Chevy Bolt EUV with 2,600 miles, LT, all electric, in like new condition. Comes loaded, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, pre-collision system. Has 2,600 miles. Still under full factory warranty. One owner, no accidents. CCS fast charging. Blind spot monitors. It's right there. Red exterior or burgundy, gray cloth interior. Heated seats. Automatic, obviously. One pedal driving. Android Auto, Apple Carplay, backup camera. The pre-collision with adaptive cruise control. In like new condition, no smoker, no dog hair. Just came back from the detail shop. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you.